032 TCM, AT. 5. Remnants of Jerry Forecast Advisory Number 18 National Weather Service National Hurricane Center Miami, Florida L1020252100 Coordinated Universal Time Saturday, October 11, 2025. Remnants of center located near 27.6 north, 63.6 west, at 11/2100 Zulu. Position accurate within 16 nautical miles. Present movement toward the north or 360 degrees, at 14 knots. Estimated minimum central pressure 1005 millibars. Maximum sustained winds 40 knots with gusts of 50 knots. 34 knots. 150 northeast, 210 southeast, 0 southwest, 0 northwest. 4 NCs. 180 northeast, 180 southeast, 90 southwest, 150 northwest. Winds and seas vary greatly in each quadrant. Radii in nautical miles are the largest radii expected anywhere in that quadrant. Repeat. Center located near 27.6 north, 63.6 west, at 11/2100 Zulu. At 11/1800 Zulu. Center was located near 27.0 north, 63.7 west. Forecast valid 12/0600 Zulu. Dissipated. Request for 3 hourly ship reports within 300 miles of 27.6 north, 63.6 west. This is the last forecast advisory issued by the National Hurricane Center on this system. Additional information on this system can be found in high seas forecasts issued by the National Weather Service under AWI, PS, Header NFD, HSF, AT, 1 and WMO Header FZNT01 KWBC. Forecasterberg. Expires no. 278,166 ABNB 20 KNHC 24114 TWO, AT. Tropical Weather Outlook. National Weather Service National Hurricane Center Miami, Florida 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday, August 24, 2026. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of America, Central Subtropical Atlantic, L95, a broad area of low pressure centered a few hundred miles east-southeast of Bermuda, continues to show signs of organization. Additional development of the low is possible, and the system could become a short-lived tropical depression or storm during the next couple of days, while IT moves northward and north-northeastward, well northeast of Bermuda. Formation chance through 48 hours. Medium. 50%. Formation chance through 7 days. Medium. 50%. Eastern Tropical Atlantic, a tropical wave and associated area of low pressure has moved offshore of West Africa with disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions are forecast to be marginally conducive for development, and a tropical depression could form by the middle to latter portions of the week, while the system moves generally westward at 15 to 20 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. Formation chance through 48 hours. Low, 20%. Formation chance